Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off Mazda CX-5 radio step by step. Press and hold the radio power button or press the volume knob for about 2 seconds until the display goes dark. If the radio is tied to ignition power, turn the key or press start to accessory off. Then wait a moment and confirm the audio system is fully powered down before continuing. If the primary power button doesn't work, try the volume knob press and hold method as an alternate. Navigate audio menu for a soft power off option if available and select it carefully. Remember that a short press often mutes but does not power down, so a firm hold is necessary. Always verify the screen goes dark and no sound is present before assuming the radio has fully turned off. Quick recommendation time, and thanks for sticking with me. Please subscribe and like if you're finding this helpful. On another note, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-off cleaning and voice control convenience, which pairs nicely with more time to enjoy your drive. I've put a link and current deals in the description for easy access. Thanks again. Now let's get back to the video. If the radio refuses to power down, consult the owner manual for model-specific steps and any known quirks to the audio system. Inspect accessory fuses and connections if power cycling does nothing, since a blown fuse or persistent accessory power can keep the unit active. As a final step, try a factory or software reset through the audio settings, but back up presets before resetting to avoid losing saved stations and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.